Everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a mixture of unpacking, organising and decorating for Christmas. So if you would like to see how I've come and all the progress that I've made with my new place, just keep on watching. We're going to start with some Christmas decorations.
Performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble act and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble act and everlasting ego.
now, this is what I've been up to. I did switch that buffet for the bookshelf, and I've just got a few things set up just to see how they look. Lots of stuff that needs to go down, the extra decor, and all of the Christmas packaging. Christmas decoration packaging has to go down to the garage, but I need to do a bit of an organization for the garage first. So we're kind of progressing. Just needs a bit of an organize. But I'm glad the Christmas tree is done because it's looking very pretty. And then I need to switch that mirror back to over there and put that hat stand on that side because I prefer having the mirror unless I had two. But that's the situation, looking super glam in PJs. Yeah, so I thought I would just let you know what I've been up to over the last few days, and then what I'm going to do today is get my bedroom sorted out because I need to get my clothes all unpacked, all of my beauty, hair, makeup and all that kind of stuff done. So that is on the agenda for today, and it is in such a state, but I've been putting it off because my chest of drawers that I bought from IKEA don't fit in my new bedroom, and the old wire mesh drawers that I've had in a couple of places previously also don't fit front on, they only fit sideways. So I'm going to put them in sideways for now and then look at what else I can do to organize all my clothes, but it is just going to have to do for now because I'm sick of them being in boxes and suitcases all over the floor. So that is on the agenda for today.
You always dreamed of making it big in your town. People had a certain walk and a certain frown, steady and heavy, or younger than 20. Put some color on those cheekbones. It's never too late for you to get well known. We'll teach you to blush and how to get your way. Useful tricks. Once you get a taste of it, you lay all them bricks higher and higher. You'll reach your desire. Put some color on those cheekbones.
We've got bags and prints and suitcases, bags, clothes, pillows for days, a vanity and a computer. Literally everything I have just chucked in here today. And I was just like, I've got to get it out of the garage, up here. No more putting this room off. Actually, it's honestly a lot worse than it looks. I've already got the bathroom sorted out, and it's not sorted out 100%, but it's sorted out good enough for where I can deal with it for now. It's all just kind of so different. Like the old place, it had bathroom cabinets up, like the glass cabinet that opens up. So it was really easy. You just put all your stuff in that cabinet. Here it's got drawers, and the drawers are great, but the drawers they're not like deep enough to hold stuff that you would expect to hold it that way. So things are kind of on the diagonal, and that's like messing with my head because I like things either straight or straight. So I don't know, while I would rather have that where it's easy to like grab for every day, probably don't want to have that kind of stuff out and about. And I'm not 100% about having things out on the counter, but when there's not like a medicine cabinet type open up shelving situation there, it makes it hard because down here you've got to either like open them up or go right down to the bottom. And then in these shelves, which it is great to have this shelving and this closed in storage, the shelving options are pretty limiting because you've only got like a set amount of height that you can work with. And so you can only have super shallow things. And like if you have high things, for example, you kind of have to maneuver them up and around like that. So at the moment, all I've got is the stuff that I am using on a daily or multiple times a week. So if it was more than once a week, I've got it up there. And then that's just like soap and some decorative pieces. And then this is stuff that I would use probably maybe once a week or once every other week. So it's stuff that I want to have close by and easy to access, but it's not stuff that I'm using on the daily, so I don't really need to have it up and out where I can see it. Then this I'd probably use maybe once a week as tanning stuff. My hairdryer, my styling brush, spare towels there, and then just some extra toilet rolls right there. In the drawers, I'm not really 100% sure. I haven't really decided yet exactly how it's going to go, but here I've just got like deodorant, toothpaste and a toothbrush, and then my derma roller here, and I'm sure that this is going to change, but I just haven't lived in it long enough to know where exactly I want to have stuff. And then down here I've just got kind of stuff that you don't want to keep out. You've got to keep it close by, but you know, it's just all of those bits and pieces. And then down in the bottom, I'm just going to be putting all my hair things in here, like elastic bands, clips, bobby pins and stuff like that. They're just in my vanity at the moment, but I'll be transferring them out of there into here. And then I've got my hair straightener and my brush and my comb that I use every day. So I don't know, it's probably unlikely that it's going to stay like this, but this is just how it is going to be for now, because it's better than it being just in a box or just chucked on there like it was before. So I'm just kind of putting it out, seeing what works, seeing what I can work with, and then I'll just adjust it over the next few weeks. So it is good enough for now, and like I always say, done's better than perfect. So well, we'll talk more about that in another video.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops.
Right now I am so tired from this move. It has just literally taken it out of me. It has exhausted me so badly. Normally when I move, I'm just like in a week done, but I think it's just having that, maybe it's because I'm older now, but I think it's just having those 2 flights of stairs from the garage to the first level and then up to the bedrooms. It has just put an extra level of difficulty, but I'm liking how it's all coming together. It's not perfect, but it is done for now, and I've got, you know, a big couple of days. I've got to do the garage still, and a couple of things downstairs in the courtyard, and just a little bit of tweaking in the bedrooms, but by and large the majority of the house is done, so I am so thankful for that. The garage is going to be like, there's going to be a solid couple of hours work, I think, but when that is done, that's going to be so good, and I'm so looking forward to that. So it's Sunday night now. I'm going to edit this video and put it up on Monday tomorrow. It does take a long time to upload because the internet here is so slow on the upload, but it is what it is. I've just got to deal with it, and I've got to get like far enough ahead with all of my video uploads so that it does not impact me and I don't get stressed out by it. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. and be sure to subscribe if you want to keep up to date with all of the ongoings and getting the house together. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
In a safe place, I got